Banjure balor ki Kampung Roy ke Balamang na kabenta ka distrik Ribhoy ke Bedegawai ni ki aspirational district ha ka sautrik unai wiang arhajar arpuar menteri ke Sarkar Pedang bedek mi ya kajal Shakti u Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ulawan bani u kejat akan ke distrik bat bani peliu jingmut alor ki Kampung Roy ke Balamang lengba ke Sarkar Pedang na katop aspirational district ha ka jingi kendo ik officer kita nak baper jangan ke distrik lawan banedan lang u Arpit Upadhyay u deputy commissioner ke distrik Usiat Muhammad Andalib Razi IRTS, Commissioner but Secretary Katanat Forest, Katanat Animal Husbandry but Veterinary, Joram Beda, Member Secretary ke SCSTE, Ude Chowdhury, PA Shaune Menteri Katanat Sarkar Pedang, Giri Prasad, Superintendent ki Pulit ke Distrik, Uba MB Tongper, MCS Nalor Kiwek Officer. Hadin kejingnya kendo bagi kejingnya peliu jingmut pat ki officer. Uni Menteri Sarkar Pedang ulalit banshim bentaru hak program mansa megasong pisa syaki sab kondai teliki kenhuan na keleng gijaga jong ke distrik Ribhoy. Ya ke Balamang HK Payment Ecosystem Services PES. Habakrana kena gesni halor kejingwan ni okjat kena ke distrik. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ulapan pau ya kejing kemen bani ojing tip bagi Kampung Roy ki Balamang da ke Sarkar Pedang. Lengbak aspirational district kilaya Ceprang. Bat bo nala ban pendapkat kum kapor ke balabo da ke Sarkar Pedang. Kam tamban penurlong ya kejeng angnuat jong menteri rang bado kari Narendra Modi. Ban kentiu bat ban penroy ke district ibang saadian hakari. Ulo angru bahag kejeng lam kamat jong Narendra Modi. Lapan wandor ki babon ki skim ban kentiu ki long yang badok. Kam tam kum kejeng syemkia ban penyo kilat jengerap syakum kini kilong yeng. Bakin don deki bank account jong la jong kenang ban la ban penyo jeng mentoy deki skim baper. Bakin deki pisah kan rong batch ke account jong ki bari ban yo jeng mentoy. Bakin top naduk ke gas cylinder ke jeng yo ke boarding elektrik umbam umdi halaki yeng kisem leng ba ke jal jiven mission bat kiwe. Show Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ulapan pauru banalor kini ki Kampung Roy balawan rak dek Sarkar Pedang kipat ba kidan kampat bansutu ke jeng koridor jong Mariang. Bat banyada ya ka kenang bakalawai kan om wan rak jeng e hakabedai bat kamai Mariang. Da ba jeng ya ro iginong snong hakisnong baper ki belashim kia ban pudurlong ne pentrikam ya ka PES scheme. Na kebenta banyada ki klau bat ki jeng don jeng em jongka.
There must be more than 8 different divisions. We used to think, plan and progress in different aspects of water. He integrated all the divisions, ministries and departments because water is very, very critical for the future, for the development of the nation, for the economic development of the country. And apart from that, since 2014, when he came in the power, he became the Prime Minister of the country for the first time to bring the change in the people of India, especially the people putting up in the villages, the poor people, the downtrodden people, the people coming from the scheduled castes and the tribal people. He put thrust to bring change in their life and initiated many schemes. The schemes were incorporated with a new vision, with a new speed, and to connect the last mile, to connect the last person who is standing in the line of development.